our team have pushed the limits of architecture, fabrication, and co-optimization across hardware and software. I'm pleased to share that we have delivered our commitment on shipping our first 18A products by the end of 2025.
Every breakthrough begins with silence. A moment of focus. A moment of building in the quiet. But in that quiet, inside these fabs, the momentum has been rising. See, quiet doesn't mean stillness, because here, progress never pauses. It pulses, pushes, accelerates. Layer by layer, line by line, gate by gate. And now, it's ready to meet the world. Progress never pauses, and neither do we.
In the last 5 years, we've invested heavily in capital, R&D, new fabs, new tools. Much of this investment aimed at pushing process technology forward, expanding manufacturing capacity in the United States and around the globe. 18A is the center of that effort. As Lip-Bu mentioned, we're in production and ramping Panther Lake. This is a big milestone. As the world's first foundry node with ribbon FET and Power Via technologies. This is Core Ultra Series 3. The first processor built with 18A technology, the most advanced process in the world. We have new E-cores, brand new P-cores, a massive GPU with built-in ray tracing, and an NPU that packs more low-power AI in a very dense area, much denser than prior generation. Next-gen memory, next-generation I/O, and the latest connectivity, wired and wireless. We've moved the GPU tile to its own chiplet. And now we can attach larger or smaller chiplets based on the market segment needs and the device needs of our customers. We've improved the multi-threaded performance of Series 3 by adding up to 8 E-cores. And we completely redesigned our low-power island with dedicated low-power E-cores with their own cache that run hundreds of workloads that are optimized for maximum battery life. We've also consolidated all the I/Os onto a single chip. This was a big ask by our customers' design teams because they want to take Series 3 and expand its capabilities and its market coverage. We bring this all together with our advanced Foveros packaging technology, delivering a full range of Series 3 processors. That architecture flexibility allows us to provide multiple configurations using a single package type up and down our customers' designs, something they've been asking for 2 generations. They have more memory options, and they now can use their own power delivery schemes for their product management and product capability. Core Ultra Series 3 delivers 60% more performance than Lunar Lake Series 2. And it's faster and more efficient than our highest performing SKU running fewer P-cores. This focus, this maniacal focus our design teams have on power efficiency and the implementation of the low-power island dramatically improves a range of applications we use every day. A massive reduction that allows us to be talking about battery life in days, not in hours.
The next generation integrated GPU we've been referring to as 12xe, but the world will know as Intel Arc B390 graphics. It features 50% more graphics cores, twice the cache, and 96 built-in XMX AI accelerators for 120 GPU tops. If you were impressed by the graphics of Lunar Lake, Panther Lake has 70% more gaming performance and an incredible 50% more AI inference performance. What's unique about our graphics is that we built this for the future, and we call this modern rendering. This means better lighting with ray tracing or other demanding visual settings, sharper visuals with high-quality textures and larger geometric assets, and the ultimate in smoothness through AI-generated frames. Today, we're excited to confirm that the new Arc graphics in Panther Lake will be the first integrated graphics ever to ship day one with AI-based multi-frame generation, delivering 3 AI-generated frames for every 1 rendered frame. We had 2 key focus areas. One was optimizing for the hybrid CPU architecture that we've had since Alder Lake, and 2, implementing the latest AI-based XeSS technologies into the title.
The addition of AI into the rendering pipeline has been a game changer. At this point, I don't think you'd want to build a game without technologies like XeSS.
So today, we're excited to share with you that we'll be launching an entire handheld gaming platform with Panther Lake.
On Windows ML, we're the only silicon vendor supporting EPs on all 3 processors, CPU, GPU, and NPU today. And to ensure consistent performance, we've also integrated key open optimizations such as primitives deep within Windows ML. We're also a time-to-market partner for Copilot+, which you will find in all SKUs of Core Ultra Series 3 families as they ship. And we've taken a major step forward with Series 3. Up to 180 total platform tops, 120 on the GPU with XMX, and when you combine OpenVINO with full access to 96 gigabytes of memory, this SoC can handle a 70 billion parameter model in a 32K context. We've shipped more than 4 zettaops, or 4 billion tops of inference compute to the edge in the market. What's that equivalent to? 40 data centers worth of compute across the edge. In a world with growing constraints on data center infrastructure, more AI can, and we believe will, move to the edge. But it won't be exclusively client. It has to work seamlessly with the cloud.
AI feels slow to a lot of people, and people are impatient. So think about all the times you've felt delays in computing before. That spinning beach ball is your data basically traveling thousands of miles to a server farm and back. So local compute removes that journey. So when processing happens right where you are, there's going to be no lag.
We spent a lot of time talking about how AI is changing the landscape of the PC. It's also a driver for Edge, a key pillar of our client business, living between the PC and the cloud. We're now accelerating the launch of 18A products for this market to align directly with the PC launch. Just look at this data. Nearly 2 times better LLM latency performance and over 2 times better TCO for video analytics. These SoCs are great at perceiving the environment and then using the built-in processors all on chip to control the machinery. To facilitate these emerging use cases, we have worked on a reference board and a dev kit with Edge ODMs that includes Intel's robotics suite. The tools, the frameworks, and the applications, all available with the launch of Intel hardware. Our partners have over 200 designs. There will be a Series 3 option for everyone. Core Ultra is ramping now. First consumer designs available to order starting tomorrow.